Hello everyone, how you are doing? You're welcome to another day with Chef Blinks. Today I'm going to be making meat pie. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do so. Like my videos. Feel free to leave your comment below. Share to your family and friends. And hit the notification bell to know anytime I upload new video. If you want to know how I made this meat pie, come with me today. This is my flour, my milk, whisk egg, nutmeg, baking powder, butter or margarine, whichever one you want, and salt. I don't use sugar for meat pie. If you like, you can use sugar, but I don't. I use salt. Let's get started, guys. First, I'm going to add my baking powder to the flour, my nutmeg, my salt, all together. Yes, I just add in my 250 grams of flour to the butter. So my flour, so I'm going to mix this. Mix very well, maybe to a sandy texture. You can see the way it looks now. So I'm going to make a well at the center. I'm going to add in my egg bit by bit. Okay, now I'm going to start adding my milk. Your milk, you are very free to mix it with water. You can use only water, it depends on you. Okay, now that my dough is well mixed, I just wrap with nylon. So guys, I'm going to prepare the filling for the meat pie. That's just the onion and my oil, mix it, Maggi, little salt, little pepper. You are very free to adjust your carrots to the exact quantity you want if you don't want it to be too much. I'm going to leave this for some time. Add little flour to thickening. Okay, it's ready now. Look at it. So I'm going to set this. I'll finish. That's my rolled dough. So I'm going to be cutting. Okay, I'm going to be doing this so that it will be well covered, so that it will not pop open when it's in the oven. Egg washing, so that it will have that big good look when it's out or when it's ready. Okay, I'm going to place this in the oven now. That's my meat pie in the oven. Okay guys, my meat pie is ready. Came out so perfect and so yummy. This can serve as breakfast or as lunch at the office. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video. And before I go, every measurement I use and the ingredients I will leave at the description box below. Bye.